I bought Trangia Micro Light. I came across on the net, and I thought it might be a good idea have a small pot. This is a 500 milliliter pot. It comes with the windshield, and there's a gel box inside the windshield. And let's have a look the inside of the box. So this is the pot. Handle seems to be okay, and okay, so there is a one hole for the steam. This is for gel capsules, I assume. Yes, so the gel comes here. The pot, 500 milliliter pot. Seems to be very simple, but for me the functionality is important. There is a little rounds in here, and hopefully this is going to be sit nicely, and then this will avoid to move. Yes, I can feel that it can stay in there, and hopefully I can cook my first rice cooking in this pot. I've got already rice and other cooking elements in here, and then I will try my first cooking with this pot shortly. 200 ml water inside the pot is becoming boiling. As I can see, the steam is coming hot. As you can see, the fire coming this way, and because of the air ventilation, and this might affect the plastic handle just in here. So that needs to be considered when you are using in the windy weather, because this plastic in here might melt easily. Going to start to put the ingredients into the pot. First of all, I've got the ingredients in here. I've got a rice, chopped red pepper, pink salt, black pepper, blended butter and olive oil, and sweet corn. First of all, I put the rice into the boiling water, and we'll start to stir immediately. This will avoid the rice stick in the aluminium pot. So I'll stir continuously until the rice become softer, which means that when the rice absorbs the water, it will become less likely to stick at the bottom of the aluminium pot. Now the rice is in the pot, and the water is boiling, and let's have a look. I just need to carry on stirring the rice to not to stick at the bottom of the pot. So I will do this until the rice becomes softer. Still stirring the rice, but I can feel that now the rice has become softer, and obviously the size of the rice in the pot has increased. So I think in a couple minutes time I'll put sweet corn and butter, and then this rice needs to be a good rest, minimum of 10 minutes. And in the meantime, the steam and the little bit water inside of the rice, inside of the pot, will still cook the rice, and hopefully in 10 minutes time the rice will be softer. The sweet corn get the little bit warmer, but soft, crunchy, and then hopefully it will be ready. So the rice is on the plate now, and the taste is okay. I'm just going to add some chopped red pepper and little bit black pepper, and then hopefully it's going to be okay for the lunch.